Good morning, students. How are you all? I welcome you in EVS online class. So, yesterday we were doing chapter number 11, Life in Water, book exercise, right? So, yesterday we have done question number 1 and question number 2. So, today we are going to start question number 3 and is page number 90. On page number 90, third question. Okay, so let's begin. Have you looked at any pond or body around you and make a list with the help of your teacher of aquatic animals and plants which are found in it? So, I am writing answer for it. Okay. So, answer aquatic animals. First, we will write about the aquatic animals. So, the aquatic animals are, first one is fish. Second is frog. Third one is tortoise. Tortoise. Fourth is snake. And last one is crocodile. Now we will write about the aquatic plants. Okay. So the first aquatic plant is water lily. Second is lotus. Third is jalkumbhi, that is also known as Pistil citrontius, and last one is moss or algae. So this is your third question. I have not written question. You can write question from book. This is the answer. Okay. So now we are going to start examination type question. Examination type question. Okay. So the first question is, water flows from downside towards upside. क्या पानी नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ चलता है? You have to answer it in true or false. True or false. So answer is false. Okay. Answer is false. Now second one, mosquitoes are born in stagnant water. Stagnant का मतलब खड़े पानी में. You have to answer this in yes, true or false. So answer is true. Answer is true. Now question number 3, Question number 3. Out of the following plants, prepare separate lists. You have to make the separate list. Prepare separate list for plants found in water and plants found on land. Okay, so you have to make a list of found in waters and plants found in land. So here in the book they have mentioned you table. In that we will write plants found in water, and second one, plants found on land. Okay, so they have given you the birds. So Jalkumbhi is found in water. Jalkumbhi is found in water. Second is marigold. Marigold is found on land. Marigold is found on land. Second is neem. Neem is found on land. Next one is lotus. Lotus is found in water. Next one is water chestnut. So water chestnut is found in water. Next is rose. Rose is found on land. Next is moss. Moss is found in water. Next is mango. Mango is found on land. Next one is kedri. Kedri is found on land. This is the national, your state tree of Rajasthan. This is your state tree of Rajasthan. Okay, and next is Kumudani. Kumudini. Dini. So these are the plants found in water and found in land. So now next one, you have to write this in book also and in your notebook also. You have to prepare a table in notebook. Okay, and draw line with the pencil, not with the pen. Now fourth one, sunflower is a plant which grows in or on dash. So sunflower is grown on land. You will cut in, you will write on land. Okay, and the fifth one is polar bears have thick fur which save them from extreme, जो इसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा किससे बचाता है, किससे बचाता है फर उसको, कोल्ड, एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी से पोलर बेयर को कौन बचाता है, उसके थिक फर, उसके बड़े बाल। ओके, सो दिस योर लेसन इज कंप्लीट, बट I am giving you some extra questions that you have to write down in your notebooks. Okay, so give heading. First write down extra questions. Okay, so first one is, we mention it, a objective type questions. Okay, objective type question means pick the correct answer. So first one is, it is an aquatic plant. वो कौन है जो एक्वेटिक प्लांट, एक्वेटिक प्लांट में जो पानी में रहते हैं। ऑप्शंस आर, ए जलकुंभी, बी रोज, सी मैरीगोल्ड and D none of these. So I hope you know the answer. So answer is A Jalkumbhi. Okay, now comes second one. It is an aquatic animal. Now you have to tell among these who is the aquatic animal. A elephant, elephant, B lion, C fish or D bear. F should be capital for fish. So answer is C fish. So answer is fish. Now come third question. Third, the animals lives both in water and on land. वो कौन से एनिमल्स हैं जो पानी में भी रहते हैं और लैंड पे भी रहते हैं। ऑप्शंस आर, ए लायन, बी टॉर्टल्स, सी फॉक्स और डी फिश। So answer is tortoise. पानी में भी रहता है और ज़मीन पे भी रहता है. सो टॉर्टोइज इज एन एनिमल लिव इन बोथ वाटर एंड लैंड. फोर्थ वन, the animal lives only on land. जो सिर्फ लैंड पे रहते हैं वो कौन है? ऑप्शंस आर ए डॉग, बी tortoise, सी fish or D crocodile. So I hope you know the answer. Answer is A dog. So this is for today. That's all for the day. Complete these question answers and extra question in notebook. Tomorrow I will give you fill in the blanks, true and false, and some questions. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.